General Secretary of Student Council of MIT ACSC for the year 2019-20. I'm placed in ZS Associate, Kharadi, Pune with 10.8 LPA. In today's world, the most important thing is confidence, and that is what MIT ACSC has provided me. In these 3 years, MIT ACSC has groomed us in various ways by conducting different activities such as group discussions, research paper presentation, debates, and many more competitions. Our professors guided us for different state and national level competitions too. We have eminent guests from various corporate and social world that groomed us and provided us soft skill programs that helped us to groom better. Speaking about placement, our placement team is a wonderful team which always guided us and boosted us to face the interview which we require for the corporate world. In today's world, if we are confident, then we are successful, and this is what MIT ACSC has taught us. Because of various activities such as college event Impulse, which is conducted every year and managed by students, and departmental events such as Management Week, that is IPSIM, IT Fest, Science Week, Commerce Week, and Library Week. MIT ACSC provides great library facilities which enables us to access to more sources of print and digital books to support reading for not only subject related books but also motivational, life skill, career and personality development books, journals and ebooks. The faculty here is very polite, affable and very friendly, without whom our college life would have been very boring. We have Nath Brahma Club to showcase our talent of dancing, acting, singing and whatnot. Every year our college conducts annual social gathering, that is Kshitij, where students perform, and those students who performed well in education, sports and extracurriculum activities are given awards. We have sports ground and gym in college to help students in boosting and maintaining mental and emotional well-being. A department which is BBA and IB organizes industrial visits to provide an exposure to students about practical working environment. We also have National Service Scheme, that is NSS, and Student Development Cell, under which many activities are conducted to instill the idea of social welfare in students. NSS volunteers work to ensure a sense of social and civic responsibility to identify the needs and problems of the community and involve them in problem solving. The journey of 3 years in MIT ACSC has inspired me to think differently. It's like no other time in your life. MIT has introduced me to new ideas, philosophies, and ways of looking at life positively to face the real world.
On joining MIT, I experienced a new world opening up to me. The freedom and independence of choices were accelerated. Our professors are supportive and they help us a lot and encourage us in every step of our life. I've learned a lot from my professors. I believe I have seen the best library in my life in MIT ACSC. It provides access to more sources of print and knowledge, digital material to reading and learning. It has n number of books, journals and research papers. Our BBA and BBA IB department also have a placement cell and they conduct various kinds of guest lectures which enhance our learning. Our college has great infrastructure with internet facility and projectors in every classroom. We also have computer labs for students. Our college also conducts events such as Impulse and IPSIM. We also have annual gathering. Our college have places such as canteen, gym, girls and boys common room where we can sit with our friends, discuss and enjoy to lighten our stress after lectures. I'm really glad to be a part of MIT ACSC and I'm really happy that I have chosen this college for my graduation.
Getting enrolled in MIT ACSC was one of the best decisions I've made to pursue my undergrad. MIT is well equipped with best-in-class infrastructure and facilities like Wi-Fi at campus, advanced computer labs, auditorium, canteen, playground, and a pristine environment. During the academic year, MIT ACSC provided opportunities to visit industries and gain valuable business exposure in the real working world. Similarly, various competitions, fests, departmental activities are carried out like IPSM Management Week, seminars by elite industry professionals. I got an internship at Praj Industries while pursuing the degree, and many students along with me got placed into reputed companies like Amazon, ZS Associates, Tommy Hilfiger, CK, etc. with the help of a well-established placement cell. I'm grateful that I got an amazing experience to learn under the guidance of well qualified professors who made me feel that I can achieve whatever I want academically and in life. Under their guidance, I've published and presented research papers at state and national levels. All 3 years of my bachelor's degree, I've been a consistent topper at MIT ACSC and I have got Academic Excellence Award for the same. It was all possible due to progressive attitude that has been built by the academic professionals and my professors who tirelessly worked and provided a better learning experience at MIT ACSC with every lecture or seminar they conducted. At MIT, we believe in making business professionals and leaders who are ready for anything they've been put into. At last, I'll conclude my experience as you enter MIT ACSC as a student, but you leave as a person who is eager and ready for the challenging corporate world ahead.
MIT Arts, Commerce and Science College provide all such opportunities to nurture the skills and knowledge of the students and make us ready to enter into the corporate world. The teaching pattern consists of both use of traditional technique through face-to-face communication as well as modern technique, that is, the use of projectors and different medias. The faculties are very kind and friendly. They not only provide knowledge about the subject matter, but also provide guidance in doing research paper and provide encouragement to enter into many state and national level competitions like Avishkar and Hackathon. Every department has their own fest. Like my department organizes Management Week. In this fest, various events are conducted through which students get an opportunity to develop and showcase various skills and talents in a fun way. Also, we have a placement cell and student development council which focuses on the improvement of students' personality through various sessions and make us ready to face the upcoming challenges and interviews. This year, we have got an highest package of 10.8 lakhs per annum. College infrastructure includes a beautiful library with ample of books, curricular as well as non-curricular. Along with it, a huge reading hall. There is a separate space in the library where you can sit and do your research and project work. The computer labs are well equipped and user-friendly. The cafeteria is very hygienic and well ventilated, and the gym with various equipments. There's also a girls' common room and a boys' common room where you can have some rest. So, welcome aboard to the knowledge journey in MIT Arts, Commerce and Science College.
A college has a huge infrastructure with all of the facilities inbuilt in it. We have a very helpful and good and cooperative teaching staff which not only teaches us of our books but also gives us an value-based education which is important in our day-to-day life. Our teachers are very cooperative as we can go to them anytime with a query. They are always ready with the solution. We also have a placement cell which looks after the placement of the student. With all of this, our campus has a huge library which is covered with all of the books which we require throughout the year, and also we have a digital library, computer lab, and also we have an access to internet where we can make our PowerPoint presentations, Excel worksheet and etc. We also have a Wi-Fi zone in our campus. With all these facilities, a college throughout the year has many events. It takes out many events like ITSM. In this event, we have many much games and also talent games with hand, double trouble, rock band, and also etc. The games are considered, and also a college has hygiene facility, like you can say a college is whole and soul of full hygiene. There is no any kind of uncleanliness in our college. E-learning is provided to us, and also departmental activities and departmental events takes place throughout the year. Even many more guest lectures are considered. Parents teachers meetings is done, and also teachers are looking towards the student absenteeism record. they call to the parents if the students are absent. Like whole and soul, our college is very attentive towards the student, and we have a sports and cultural department. Sports department, like we have a sports indoor zone where we can play carom, chess, ludo, etc. And even we have an outdoor ground where we can play outdoor sports. We have a cultural department which looks after the dancing, singing, and etc. activities in the student, which helps the student to grow in it and also to participate in the inter-college competition. A college looks after the students very attentively, and I personally feel that a student, whoever requires a quality like which sees in his college, we have all that type of quality.
MIT ACSC Alandi. This college has been most of the wonderful colleges that I have ever been to. My 3 years journey was very, very beautiful. The faculties here put in all their efforts to mentor the students in becoming better and best management individuals. The department organizes a management fest, which is the IPSM, every year, and this has been a tradition for the past 4 to 5 years without fail. This event is done by the students for the students, which is an intercollegiate event wherein the students take all the responsibility from bringing in the students and scholarships and everything. And this is a very good learning process for the students. This is more of team building, cooperation, coordination. The whole motto of this is that the students learn things on themselves rather than just depending on somebody else for everything. The faculties obviously give all the guidance. All the faculties have expertise in different fields, and everybody helps the students in every possible manner. For example, like paper presentation or maybe a project reports presentation or submission on the university level, intercollegiate level, or any level. The college is there, the faculties are there. Also, the college, apart with academics, pays a lot of attention towards students' extracurricular growth, for which there are various events that are organized throughout the year to keep the students engaged with them. The Kshitij, which is the college's annual event, is one of a grand events the college celebrates with all the departments coming together. The placement is one of the best because when I passed out, I had 6 offer letters in hand before having my degree in hand. So you can imagine how good it is. Also, the infrastructure, facilities, everything is so good. The college gives equal importance to sports as well. The college has its own cricket team which has been qualified for various events in various places. The college's classrooms are all equipped with projectors and elevated desks to sit for the students. In this manner, students can have more of an audio visual learning experience, and they can even have their own presentations or everything, which is why all the classrooms are designed in this manner. It feels proud to be an ex-MIT.